Hello my YouTube friends, this is Dave Wilson. Anyway, I've made a lot of progress. I wanted to show you what I've done. I got all the light bars working. They're installed on all three printers. Cleaned up the wiring a little bit. And been really happy with the results of the Simplify 3D and the OmniaDrops. So I've got those running on all three printers. And I'm printing some domino holders for friends of ours. And this is an experiment. I'm trying it in vase mode. I don't know if it'll hold up or not, but I want to see how it's going to work. So I did spend a little time cleaning up the wiring and cleaning up my workbench. So pretty happy with that so far. Never been happy with the wire management on the Ender 5 or 5 Plus. So it's always been a challenge trying to get that a little bit better. So I built a separate workbench just for to hold the printers, and then I just about a month ago built a workbench for actually working on, and put a lot of magnetic bars on it, and it's worked out pretty well. So, and I do have a storage underneath. I've got a dehydrator and all my other things that don't have a home for right now. My Primera, they're all down there, and lights. I've still got a lot of work to do. But anyway, let me know if you got any questions. Been really happy with the results so far.